a creature heavier than the biggest truck, with tusks longer than your entire body, built to survive a frozen world that would kill anything alive today. This was the mammoth. The name alone brings back soft, friendly images from childhood, but the reality was very different. Behind that furry look was a powerful ruler of the icy lands. Scientists began asking, was it just a hairy elephant or a completely different species? And more importantly, why did it disappear? And could it return again? For centuries, the frozen lands of Siberia acted like a natural time capsule. In 1798, a fully preserved mammoth was found near the Lena River. Not just bones, but skin, organs, and even flesh were still intact, as if it had died days before. The preservation was so extreme that the meat was still fresh. In a shocking moment, some scientists actually cooked part of it and ate it. This showed how powerful natural freezing can be, far beyond anything humans can create. Soon after, a German scientist studied the discovery and gave it the name woolly elephant. Over time, the name changed into what we know today as the mammoth. Discoveries kept coming. One of the most amazing finds was a 1-month-old baby mammoth frozen for over 10,000 years. These bodies helped scientists understand its life in real detail, not just guesses. The word mammoth means giant, and the name fits perfectly. This animal could weigh up to 12 tons and stand over 4.5 meters tall. Its head could reach the height of a second-floor balcony. But its most powerful feature was not its size, it was its tusks. Each tusk could grow up to 4 meters long, sometimes even longer than the body itself. They were used to break ice, dig for food, and defend against predators. Scientists even studied the food inside frozen stomachs. The surprise was clear. Despite its strength and deadly tusks, the mammoth was a plant eater. Its diet was made of leaves, grass, and small plants. This created a strange contrast. A massive, powerful body, running only on vegetation, shows an incredibly efficient digestive system. Just like trees have rings to show their age, mammoth tusks had rings too. Each ring represented 1 year. Studies showed that many mammoths lived over 60 years. They also had very slow reproduction. Pregnancy lasted about 22 months, just like modern elephants. This slow life cycle meant they could not recover quickly if their numbers dropped. At first glance, they look like modern elephants, and in fact, elephants today are their descendants. But the differences were huge. Mammoths had thick brown fur to survive extreme cold. They also had a hump on their back and much smaller ears. Smaller ears helped reduce heat loss, allowing them to survive freezing temperatures. Every detail in their body was designed for the cold. Many people believe mammoths lived with dinosaurs, but this is not true. Dinosaurs disappeared millions of years before mammoth ever existed. There was a massive time gap between them. So who lived alongside the mammoth? Humans. Ancient humans drew mammoths on cave walls with great detail. This proves they saw them face to face. The relationship between humans and mammoths was complex. It involved fear, survival, and hunting. For early humans, a mammoth was a huge source of food, tools, and materials. Then comes the big mystery. How did such a powerful creature disappear? Scientists still debate this today. One major reason could be climate change. As the Ice Age ended, temperatures rose and their environment slowly vanished. Other ideas suggest disease may have played a role, but many researchers believe humans were a key factor. Hunting mammoths may have pushed them closer to extinction. Now comes the surprising part. Scientists today are trying to bring the mammoth back to life. Using DNA from frozen bodies, they aim to recreate it through genetic science. The plan is to modify elephant cells to carry mammoth traits, then grow them and place them inside a living elephant. This could create a new animal with mammoth features. Right now, a team in Texas is working on this idea. Their goal is to see the first new mammoth-like creature by the year 2028. It will not be an exact copy, but an elephant with fur, curved tusks, and the ability to survive extreme cold. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.